Let's evaluate this limit as we approach 1 of this polynomial function. Now what we're given is we're going to approach from the left over here. So we're at 0.5. Now we're trying to get to 1. So we're coming in from the left. So we're going to start at 0.5, go up to 0.7, up to 0.9, 0.99, 999. We're getting closer and closer to 1 from the left side. So as we approach 1 from the left side, let's see what we get here. We have x squared plus 4x minus 8. And first of all, at x equals 0.5, we're going to get 0.5 squared plus 4 times 0.5 minus 8. And I have my calculator out, and when I compute all that, I got negative 5.75. So I could put that up here, negative 5.75. Now let's try this at x equals 0.7, right? We'll come in a little bit closer. We used the 0.5. Now we'll try the 0.7. So at 0.7, we're going to get 0.7 squared plus 4 times 0.7 minus 8. And on my calculator, I got that to be negative 4.71. Negative 4.71. So I'm going to put that up here, negative 4.71. And now let's try it at 0.9. So at 0.9, so at x equals 0.9, we will get 0.9 squared plus 4 times 0.9 minus 8. And my calculator showed me that is negative 3.59. Negative 3.59. I'll put that up here, negative 3.59. Now, I think you can see how I'm computing these, so I'm not going to do all that down here. I'm just going to tell you what I get here. So when I put in 0.99, I got this. I'll put right in up here, negative 3.0599. And then at 0.999, I got negative 3.006. So look at the pattern here. It looks like as we're approaching 1 from the left, these f of x values are approaching, what do you think? They're getting closer to negative 3, right? We're down here at almost negative 6. Then we're at negative 4 point something. We're getting closer to negative 3. So I think these things are here are going toward negative 3. Now let's check this one. What happens as we approach 1 from the right side of x squared plus 4x minus 8? Let's see what we get. We'll do maybe just one of these. So as x approaches, say, 1 from the right side, okay, let's compute x squared plus 4x minus 8 at x equals, now we're going to come in here from the right side, so we'll start out here at 1.5, come in a little bit closer to 1.3, a little bit closer to 1, 1.1, 1.01, 1.01. So let's start here at 1.5. So when I put in 1.5, it's going to look like this. 1.5 squared plus 4 times 1.5 minus 8. And my calculator shows me that is, I got 0.25. So I'm going to take that 0.25 and write it in as my function value up here. So I'm going to get 0.25. Then when I put in the 1.3, right, 1.3 squared plus 4 times 1.3 minus 8, when I computed that one, I got negative 1.11. So I'm just going to fill that in. I got negative 1.11. Then at 1.1, I got negative 2.39, negative 2.39. At 1.01, I got negative 2.9399. And then finally, when I put in the 1.001 here, 1.001 squared, plus 4 times 1.001 minus 8, when I computed that, I got negative 2.994, negative 2.994. So it looks like as x is approaching 1, coming in from the right side, these function values seem to be approaching, do you see it? Looks to me like it's approaching negative 3. So over here, what we're going to say then is The limit as we approach 1 from the right side of this function seems to be negative 3, and now you can see that these two are equal. So we will now conclude that the limit as x approaches 1 of x squared plus 4x minus 8, that is equal to negative 3.